Last video, I'm so mad that you're bullying me and saying I'm a noob. I mean, you're a noob. Boo-hoo. I was spawned the noob, but I have VIP and MVP and $100 trillion as well. So I'm gonna spawn it. Finally, I got in the factory. Now let's see. Spawn core destruct. Let's see. Nuke. Okay, let's do the nuke. Dude. Nuke. Aw, seriously? He spawned a nuke. 60, 59. Where the heck is the helicopter at? God. Let's go. I need to go there. 30, 38, 7. Just a couple seconds later. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I got in the helicopter. Whoa. Oh my God, I got a helicopter. 10. No, wait. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, we're so high. Wait. Map slowly regenerating. Oh, okay. Oh, I died. Oh, yes, that's so good. You all die, you noobs. You still a noob. Wait, what I got through you? Well, I disabled PvP. You son of a barnacle head. Actually, you are a noob. What? You also disabled PvP? Oh, it's on. Wait, what? Maybe your card's just weak and it did nothing. Really? Well, look what I could do. You have PvP on, right? Yeah, I could do this. How do you do that if you have a noob car? Ow. Maybe noobs are just way better. What? Oh. Seriously.